Welcome to AC Factory. Today we will see an essay on mental health. It is a content for speech as well as essay. You can use it anywhere according to your need. So let's begin. Mental health. It is health that is real wealth, not pieces of gold and silver, by Mahatma Gandhi. These lines by Mahatma Gandhi indicate the importance of a healthy life. In India, mostly people limit the term health only to physical health. They neglect the existence of mental health along with the physical health. A survey from WHO conducted in 2020 claims that 7.9% population of our country suffers from problem of mental health. This report is enough to justify that how important it is to consider this matter as a serious issue. Mental health of any person can be assessed by the fact that how much relaxed or tensed the person feels or how much easy he feels to express himself in the society. When a person perceives negative environment around him, he is tortured mentally, faces harassment, or does not get anyone to share the feelings or pain in life. Such conditions lead to mental disbalance, loneliness, anxiety, suicidal thoughts, insomnia are some of the symptoms from where it all begins, and many times it reaches to extreme conditions. It is observed that females in our society are more prone to mental depression than males. Reason guessed behind this fact is that they go through a lot of immoral practices like unfair dowry, domestic violence, which are sometimes observed in society. Whereas youth suffers from different kind of problems like academic pressure, unemployment, family expectations, etc. India is slowly becoming the home for largest mentally unhealthy population, and still this issue is not taken seriously neither by the government nor by the citizens of the country. There are only 0.07 psychiatrists per 1 lakh persons as estimated according to recent survey. WHO has warned that with upcoming time in future, problem of mental health is also going to increase. We all are aware with the present scenario. Mental health is least discussed topic among all health problems in our surroundings. There is no proper strategy to overcome this problem till now. Some people also do not hesitate to entitle the patient of mental disorder as mad, psycho, half-mad, etc. This upcoming threat of nation's future can be controlled if we spread awareness regarding this issue. Each of us must consider it as a responsibility to look around ourselves and provide mental and emotional support to needy ones. Almost 70% of youth commit suicide due to mental stress. Any person has if any person has suddenly stopped talking to people or gone on social isolation needs to be talked. In this era of social media, people have enough time to post photos and message to public, but not to ask the well-being of person sitting beside them. So share your thoughts firstly with your near and dear ones who are physically present with you, and later through the virtual ones. Thank you. I hope you like this essay. Friends, kindly like this essay, go in comment section, do comment, and please share this video as much as you can. Thank you.